everyone? We're in Sacramento, California at an amazing event. What's up, everyone? Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
All right, welcome to today's vlog. Mr. Liftoff agent, just got done with EOS Fitness, and we are off to Sacramento. So today's video, we're gonna go see Rose, and we're gonna go see her husband, Steve, and what they're doing in Sacramento, and we're gonna go talk to a couple agents. I'm bringing y'all with us. Let's have some fun. If you haven't already saw some of our other videos, we got a bunch to help you have more liftoff in your real estate business, and let's go do this. All right, we made it to Sky Harbor, and they have an oversized parking section. So we're gonna put the liftoff truck here in oversized parking. We got a ways to walk to the terminal. Southwest we go. All right, it's time to get out of here. Airport's crazy right now. Let's do it. One of the hard things is trying to make sure that you time things just right. So I don't speak until later on today, and I'm probably going to get there about 12 o'clock. This event actually starts at 11:30, 11:40. So, plus I've never been to this airport yet. So new airport, new location, new area, new experience, and that's what life's all about. So super excited and blessed to be able to explore and go to new areas and continue to grow the Liftoff Agent brand. Let's get there, shall we? Right, went to the wrong area. Now I'm going to the right area. Gotta make sure you go where the taxis are located, or have a little bit of an issue. All right. Got my card ready. Oh, I love it. Heck yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate you. Take care. Have a good one. I got you. I'll leave you a review and all that. All right. I appreciate you too. Take care. Over here where the networking is, to set up my booth and make it happen. Oh, welcome. Norman, pleasure. Nice to meet you. Norman, pleasure. Nice to meet you. Awesome. Trying to find me a table somewhere. Let's go. Ready. You look great. Yeah, of course, of course. All right. Booth set up, ready to rock and roll, and we made it just in time. Looking good. All the vendors, got the food. There she is. I see her. She's titled. Look out. Let's go. Let's go. About to get started. Packed house. Let's go. Rose is crushing it. Right.
What's going on, guys? I'm gonna take a seat right here. Reyes to join me in a bit. Just kind of go over some questions. I've done speaking events, and I stood up sometimes, and I come up here and I speak to like a more intimate group, and it just feels like I'm talking down to people. So I'm like, today I just want to sit down, have a good time, and answer some questions. Really provide value for you guys.
So I would say communication with everyone overall. At one point, this guy was bringing in hundreds of leads every single day, or not every single day, but every single month, and it all came from just being driven on delivering true value to the consumer. So we'll give it up to my boy Jack real quick.
Woo! Let's go. All right, time to go to the bathroom really quick. Check out the courtyard. Super nice area. This is just going to be the community rec center for one of the new build construction areas. And so one thing that Rose and also Steve focus on is they focus on doing content long form on YouTube, now also on Instagram, but putting emphasis on doing content around all of the new construction. And so right now, Robert's on stage. You just saw a couple of those clips. I'll put some more in here in a second. And he says one of the number one things that works really well for him is doing the video walkthrough tours of homes. So really good information. The social media panel is good as well. Actually, should I say the new agent panel is amazing as well. Got some clips for that. So we're going to take a little stroll around here, go to the restroom, get back, get ready to crush it.
And sharing my lifestyle and sharing home tours kind of incorporated with that. There's more to it than just real estate. It's just the art of storytelling and being able to share my story and that people relate with that and they reach out and you stay top of mind.
Her hyper-local approach to real estate. She's a mom, a wife, and an active Cameron Park Rotary member. Joellen blends heart and hustle, helping families buy, sell, and transition, while also specializing in senior placement and 55-plus living through events. The largest YouTube channel in Sacramento real estate, thousands of viewers every month for insider tours, market updates, and unfiltered insights into one of California's fastest growing regions.
YouTubers always like daunting.
We personally use his services, and I absolutely love the customizations that they offer. So, without further ado,
An amazing event, everyone! Let's go!
Thank you for the energy. I appreciate you. My name's Global Kids the Third. So this is going to be their strategy. They use YouTube and they use an Instagram account and they use their website to show properties, right? New construction.
On views. Well, that's a wrap. We're just taking care of some bills and relaxing, charging the phones before we gotta go. Did one video short form, another video short form. I'm about to edit here in a minute. And then this is the end of our vlog. And at the end of the day, I want to remind you that you want to maximize all opportunities. So filming content and getting content edited, short form for instant and long form for long-term success. Long-term success is evergreen, stuff that you put on YouTube, and you want to have systems behind you to help you maximize the process. And time to lift off. In about 30, what do I got? 34 minutes? Like, subscribe, notification bell. And we'll see you on the next one.